Here's a natural way you can make your morning better. Just use Simply Earth's natural Risen Roll-On recipe. Hi, I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist and co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products. And today we're doing that with Simply Earth's Risen Roll-On recipe. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to turn natural ingredients into natural products. And that's why we have Simply Earth's DIY cleaning box. You can get all the ingredients you need for this recipe with this box delivered to your door, or you can find them at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY cleaning box. Here's what you'll need. From my recipe box, I'm grabbing a recipe card, labels. I'm going to be using 3 drops of citrus burst, 2 drops of grapefruit, 1 drop of tea tree, and for my big bonus box, I'm going to be using a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle and fractionated coconut oil. To start, I'm going to remove this roll-on cap from my roller bottle. You can use this with your fingers, or we have this handy tool on our website that makes this just a little bit easier. And then I'm gonna add my essential oils. 3 drops of citrus burst, 2 drops of grapefruit, and 1 drop of tea tree. Now I'm gonna give my bottle a little swirl to mix those essential oils together. Now I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. I'm adding a funnel just to make pouring a little bit easier. Now I'm going to replace my roller cap, and again I can just push it down, or I can use this little tool from Simply Earth. And again, I'm gonna shake it just to make sure the essential oils are fully diluted into the fractionated coconut oil. Now I'm going to label it. Let's test it out. To use it, just apply it to your pulse points, breathe deeply to start your morning right. And you can make this too. If you want to learn the magic of turning natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day, then you need to subscribe to Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box. I love to see your creations, so when you make this recipe, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. When you do this, you'll be automatically entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.